Can you, too?
Můžeš.
English-Czech request phrases. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, it's Synapse Lingo, your friendly language booster. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and practice. Today you'll master the request phrase, can you, equals.
Můžeš.
Warm up your smile and your magic word.
Prosím.
Your mission today. You'll speak Czech naturally in minutes, stick with me and have fun. Goal 1. Say the core phrase clearly.
Můžeš.
Informal. Goal 2. Choose polite forms.
Můžete.
Formal, plural.
Mohl bys.
Very polite. Goal 3. Flip it.
Nemůžeš.
Means, can't you. Gentle nudge. Useful verbs.
Otevřít.
To open.
Pomoci.
Slash.
Pomoct.
To help.
Poslat.
To send. Sound it out. Say it with me, exaggerate for fun, then say it normal. Like a friendly whisper.
Můžeš.
Pause. Rising tone.
Můžeš.
Memory trick. Need a push? Just softly push.
Můžeš.
Rhythm it. Muses, muses.
Můžeš.
Mini dialogues. Quick, funny scenes you can copy. You go first in your head. A.
Můžeš. Otevřít okno.
B.
Jasně.
Translation. Can you open the window? A. In a chat.
Můžeš. Poslat ten soubor.
B.
Hned.
Translation. Can you send the file? A. Hands full.
Můžeš. Otevřít dveře.
B.
Jdu na to.
Translation. Can you open the door? Bonus polite. A.
Můžete. Pomoct mi. Prosím.
B.
Samozřejmě.
Translation. Could you help me, please? Forms and politeness. Pick the right form like a pro, tiny changes, big vibes. Informal to a friend.
Můžeš.
Formal, plural.
Můžete.
Extra polite, would you?
Mohl bys.
To a male.
Mohla bys.
To a female. Gentle nudge.
Nemůžeš.
Equals can't you. Magic add-on.
Prosím.
Softens everything. False friend alert.
Může.
Equals he, she, it can.
Můžeš.
Equals you can. Keep the S for you. Quick drills. Your turn, answer after the pause. Say it out loud. Say, can you help me?
Můžeš. Pomoct mi.
Make it formal. Can you send the file?
Můžete. Poslat ten soubor.
Flip it. Can't you open the door?
Nemůžeš. Otevřít dveře.
Extra polite. Could you please open the window?
Mohl bys. Otevřít okno. Prosím.
Bonus contrast. Can I?
Můžu.
Culture tip. Ask kindly. Tiny words, big smiles. In Czech, a friendly tone plus
Prosím.
goes a long way. Try an open palm gesture toward the task while saying.
Můžeš.
It's polite and clear. Pop quiz. Lightning round. Shout your answer, then I reveal it. What's Czech for, can you? Question mark single quote.
Můžeš.
Formal, can you? Question mark single quote.
Můžete.
Fill the gap. Underscore 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 underscore.
Otevřít okno.
Equals can you open the window?
Můžeš.
True or false.
Můžete.
Is the same formality as.
Můžeš.
False. Funny challenge. Let's get playful, you craft the line. Text a friend. Start with.
Můžeš.
And add a task, e.g.
Poslat ten soubor.
Then add.
Prosím.
and a smiley. Visual gag. Imagine a polite robot with one giant button labeled
Můžeš.
push it whenever you need help, instant check mode. Wrap up. You crushed it, nice work. Today you learned to ask smoothly with
Můžeš.
plus
Můžete. Nemůžeš.
and the power of.
Prosím.
Keep practicing these mini requests all day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English-Czech lessons, drills, and laughs. Thanks for listening from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.